A degreasing of surfaces before using our steam cleaner is strongly advised. A similar procedure is used to clean a variety of surfaces, such as boats, planes, cinemas, factories, and public spaces. When using shampoo or other detergents discharged from the machine, contaminants should be removed from top to bottom and wiped with a microfiber cloth. Dry steam provides thermal and static loads and removes dirt with only 3 liters or less than a gallon of water on an entire car. Thanks to the mutual repulsion of positive ions, the washing process protects the paintwork and other delicate surfaces from scratches, leaving the structure dry and clean.